Morning, am I audible to you guys? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, how are you guys?
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, আপোনাৰ ঠিকে আছে ন?
ভাল পাইছো বাৰু অলপ। So, কলেজত নে?
মেম কলেজতে আছো, ক্লাছৰুমতে আছো।
আচ্ছা। কেইদিনমান মোৰ ক্লাছ অনলাইন কৰে আৰু মই জইন কৰাৰ পাছত অফলাইন
Ma'am,
ষ্টাৰ্ট
আমি
কৰিম।
বৰ্তমান ক্লাছত আছো।
ভেৰি গুড, চব গৈছা?
মেম গোটেইখিনি আহিছোৱে
মেম।
ক'ব গ'লে।
আচ্ছা। ঠিকে আছে, তোমালোকে ক্লাছবোৰ অফলাইন কৰি থকা। মোৰ ক্লাছ কেইদিনমান অনলাইন কৰে আৰু। মোৰ 14 days কমপ্লিট হ'লেহে আকৌ টেষ্ট কৰিব আৰু আচ্ছা ক্লাছৰুম দেখাইছা so how is your new
মই
class
ফটো সেন্ড কৰিছো
so new classroom কেনেকুৱা চবৰে
মেম
কাৰণে
ঠিকে আছে।
বেঞ্চ ডেস্ক
মেম
জিজ
ঠিকে আছে, খালি অলপ গৰম লাগে আৰু ফেন।
আচ্ছা তোমালোকৰ ক্লাছৰুম চেঞ্জ কৰিছে এইটো
মেম
40
B4 to 5 কল কৰা।
B425 আচ্ছা নাই ঠিকে আছে নেকি second semester নাই তোমালোকৰ 25 ঠিকে আছে
অফ আছে চোন।
ওকে চবৰে ইউনিফৰ্ম আহিলে নে এইটোৰ মখাৰে তোমালোকে দৰ্জা খিৰিকী অলপ মাৰি থবা খিৰিকীবোৰ বান্দৰে সোমাব পাৰে okay so have you guys gone through the linked list class I sent you last time কোনোবাই লিংক চাইছিলানে হেল্ল'
মেম শুনি পোৱা নাই কি কৈ আছে
কোনোবাই লাষ্ট ক্লাছৰ মই যে লিংক সেন্ড কৰিছিলো ফৰ লিংক লিষ্ট কোনোবাই চাইছা anyone went through the linked list class links এনেহে দি থলো কোনো পঢ়া নাই সবে ইয়াৰফোন লগাই লোৱা দেই নহলে সব একেটা ক্লাছৰুমত আছা দিগদাৰ হ'ব all of you please use your earphones otherwise you won't be able to hear am I clearly audible to you guys
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
okay so no one went to the class links what is a link list
থার্ড সেম ডিএস
so what is a link list no one went through the links কাম বঢ়াবা মানে so what is a linked list any idea from the last links I provided you guys Yes, no, anything? Last year, yeah, I sent you last year's lecture. Anyone went through? Bully Asle. Yes, last year link disilu, but same topic, right? So that you guys just get some idea. I sent another YouTube video also. So what is the linked list? Okay, I'm just repeating it. So in linked list, everything is stored in a node. Okay, all data are stored in a node. What happened in array? In array, we store everything in a contiguous memory. Okay, in array, everything is like linear in fashion. If you want to store something, you will just store 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 like this, right? In an array. Okay, and how we access any elements from array, we give some index value. So whenever you want to access anything from the array, we just provide the index. Okay, if the name of this array is, for example, A, then if we say A1, we can access the value 20. Okay, if you say A6, then we can access the value 70, like this. So we just provide the index and we can access any value. So what is the disadvantage of an array? That we need to set the size. Okay, if I say the size of the array is 7, that means I can store only 7 elements here. And later if I decide that I want to add some more values, then it is not possible. Okay, for that again we do that dynamic memory allocation process. Okay, it's not so easy. If you once decide the size of the array, then you want to add beyond that size. Okay, so what happened in linked list, it's not linear fashion. Okay, it's not linear fashion. In linked list, everything is in node. Okay, and it can be anywhere in the memory. Okay, you just store 10, 20, 30 like this. Okay, you can store just anywhere in the memory, and just that it has an extra part. Okay, in a linked list node, what happened? We have the data part and we have the address part. Okay, address. So how we define the address? So all the nodes in a linked list will have two parts, data and the address part. Okay, it's the node for your linked list. So in the data parts, you are going to store your values. Suppose 10, 20, 30. In a linked list, just consider there are 3 nodes. So what address part does? See, this is node. So it will have particular memory location. For example, it's 100, 200 and 300. Okay, these are the address of the particular address. So this address or pointer will point to the next node, but it will contain the address of the next node. So what's the address of the next node here? 200. What's the address of this third node? 300. Okay, so each and every node will consist of the data part and the pointer to the next node. What's the pointer to the next node? It's basically the address of the next node. And therefore, in linked list, it is not linear in fashion. It can be anywhere in your memory location. And the main thing is it's a dynamic allocation. You can add or delete anything, any node at any time. You don't need to worry about the memory. We can add at the front, we can add the end or at the middle, anywhere. Okay, so see, in the first node we are giving the pointer. So this is the last node. What should be the address part in the last node? There is no other node after this, right? So the address pointer will be null for the last node. Okay, for the last node it will be always null. Okay, and sometimes we have a head pointer. Okay, it's a head. Okay, so head is not a node. Okay, head only consists of the address of the first pointer. This is your head. Okay, your first head node is definitely this one. Okay, head node. Node will have data part and pointer to the next node. Okay, so this is the data part and this is the pointer part. Okay, which is basically the address of the next node. And for the last node, the address part or the pointer part will be null because that's the last part. And there will be a head pointer. This is just a pointer. Okay, just a pointer. This is not a node and it will only consist the address of the first node. Okay, so how we can add or delete things here? Operations are same. We can add items and we can delete the items. For example, if you want to add or insert, we can do at the beginning, end, or middle. Okay, same thing we can also do for delete also. Okay, but for the traverse, we can just travel through from first to the last. So how it will look like? Okay, just did the same thing. Okay, just take same nodes 10, 20, 30. So how we do? Suppose address is 100, 200 and 300. Okay, so this will point to the next node. It will consist of the address. This will point to the next node. It will consist the address 300 and this will be null. Okay, then we also have head pointer, right? Head pointer will be the address of the first node. Okay, suppose we want to insert. Okay, first just think we want to insert at the beginning. Okay, we want to insert at the beginning. So if you want to add any node at the beginning, what you need to do? You can simply allocate the memory for that particular node. For example, this is the node you want to add and the data is 5 and you are saying that the address of this node is 50. Okay, don't get confused, just take different. Address of this node is 105. Okay, so this is the node you want to add at the beginning. Okay, for that what you have to do is just that you will cut this link, you will point the pointer to the first node and it will contain the address of the first node which is 100. Okay, and head pointer will now point to this newly added node and now it will consist of the address of this new node 105. Okay, so this is how we insert node at the beginning. Is this one clear? How we add item or node at the beginning, in front? Simply, you just allocate the memory for that particular node. Now the pointer will point to the first node, previous first node. Then head will simply point to the address allocated to the new node. So if this is a new node, it will simply point to the first node, means previous first node, and will consist of the address of the first node. And now head will be simply point to the new node and will consist of the address of the newly added node from the front. Okay, is this one clear? বুজি পাইছা? Are you following? সবে ক্লাছত হাল্লা কৰি আছা নে বহি বহি? নাই কৰা. So বুজি পাইছা? How to add in front. Now suppose you want to add or insert node at the last. Okay, you want to add something at the last. So what you can do, you will simply again same thing, you want to allocate some space for this particular node. Maybe it's 400 now. Now see the last node, previously the address part was null. Okay, this was the last node, but now I just added a new node to the linked list. So this null will point to the newly added node at the last, and it will consist of the address of the newly added node. So now it won't be null, it will be 400, and the newly added node at the last will consist of null, because now this is the newly added node at the last. Okay, simple. In case of you want to add something at the front, head will point to the newly added node, and in case of you want to add something at the last, the newly added will consist of the null, and the last node will simply point to the newly added node and will consist of the pointer to the address of the newly added node. Okay, now for example, you want to add something at the middle. Okay, you want to add something at the middle, maybe this part. Now see, I already added these two nodes. I want to add some more nodes here. Okay, you want to add one more node but at the middle. Okay, so for example, this is simply maybe 50, and the address of this new node is 500. Okay, so what you will do, you have to travel to this node where you want to add the item. Okay, suppose you want to add to the third node. Okay, that means you have to traverse to the second node. Okay, you have to traverse to the second node. Then at the address part, you will simply point to the newly added node, and now the address of this node will be 500. Okay, and this one will point to the next node, and now it will consist of the address of this node. Okay, 200. This is at the middle. Okay, this one will be cut. Okay, so this is how we add items at the beginning, last, and in the middle. Are you following it? Is it clear? বুজি পাইছা সবে? If you don't respond, I don't know whether you guys following or not.
মেম চাই থাকো কিন্তু কনসেন্ট্ৰেটটো কমি যায় পতককে
Concentration কমি গ'লে কেনেকৈ হ'ব? ইয়েৰফোন ইউজ কৰা। চবে যিটো কথা পাতি থকাটো হ'বই। So others বুজি পাইছা? Do you want me to repeat? মোৰ বেমাৰ ভাল হোৱা নাই, still মই class কৰি আছো, and you guys are not just listening. Repeat. Yeah, say something at least. Linked list or concept clear? How we store data in linked list? In linked list, everything is in node. So node will consist of the data part and the pointer to the next node, which is basically the address of the next node. Okay, so initially I had 3 nodes, 10, 20, 30. Okay, these are the data for that 3 nodes, and there the header was there which was pointing to the first node. Okay, it will only consist of the address of the first node. Okay, now you want to add something in the front. Okay, if you want to add something in the front, what you have to do, you simply allocate a memory location for the new node. Now I'm just saying the address of this new node is 105. Okay, and I'm storing the data 5 here. So what you will do, you will simply point it, means header will consist of the address of the new node now, because this is the first node. What a header do? Header simply consists of holds the address of the first node. Since I just added a new node in the front and the address of this new node, for example, is 105, so it will consist of the address of the first node. And now newly added node will simply point to the second node, which was previously first node, so it will consist of the address of the first node, means previous first node, so it will consist of 100. Okay, so this link will be cut and it will point here. Okay, now if you want to add something at the last, now what happens for last? It's simple, it's same. You simply just add a node, allocate a memory for the new node, and just that you want to insert it at the end. So what you have to do, it's a last node, so at the null pointer, means address part, it will only consist of the null because it's the last node. Okay, you added something at the last. So in the address part, it will consist of null. Okay, just that the previous null will now point to this newly added node. So it will consist of the address of the newly added node at the last. Okay, you are adding item or node at the last. That means what? The pointer part address will be null. If you want to add something in the front, that means header will now consist of the address of the newly added node, because this is the first node now. Okay. Now you want to add something in the middle. What you have to do? You have to first decide the position where you want to store it. Suppose you want to add the item at the third position. So this is the first node, this is the second node. You have to travel to this second node. Okay, then you will simply replace the previous address, which was the address of the third node. Now I just added a different third node here. So now the address part will simply point to this newly added node. So this pointer part or address part will be replaced with the newly added node, which is 500 here. Okay, now this pointer will point to the now fourth part. Okay, so in the address it will point to the next, means fourth node now, and it will hold the address of the next node. Okay, simple. The whole concept is just like that. You want to add item, you can add item in the front, at the last, or at the middle. Okay, if front, you only have to take care of the header part. Now head will point to the newly added node. And if you want to add something at the last, that means in the pointer part, it will consist of only null. Okay, and if you want to add something in the middle, that means you have to just break the previous connection between second and third, then you will just link it to this newly added node. Okay, and before adding to the last node also, you have to obviously travel to the last node. Then only you can point it to the newly added null node. So what's the advantage of linked list over array? First, it is dynamic, right? You don't need to worry about memory allocation, like the size of the linked list should be 5, 10, 8, nothing like that. You don't need to specify how many nodes you want to store or how many data you want to store. You can just add or delete item anytime. Okay, you no need to worry about the space in case of linked list, as you can just simply create a new node, store the data there, then you just link that node to your preferred location, means in front or end or at the middle. Just you need to know the concept. Okay, this is not a linear one, this is just node wise. Okay, it can be scattered anywhere. Okay, it can be simply scattered anywhere. So if you want to insert anything in the front, it will simply involve inserting any element at the front. We just need to adjust the links only. Okay, only the header link will be adjusted. এটা ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে? So clear. So insert is just same. Now if you want to delete item, what will happen? Okay, now how many nodes you have here? Now you have 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 and 6 nodes you have here. Okay, now you can see all are just scattered here and there. Okay, you are just linking. Now if you want to delete something, what you will do? Same, you can delete item from front, you can delete from the last, and you can delete from the middle. So now this is my first node, right? This is my first node. Okay, so I want to delete the first node. What you will do? You will simply cut this node. That means what? You will basically cut this link, and header will now point to the second node, and it will consist of the address of the first node. Okay, so this is just the delete process from the first. If you want to delete the first node, you will simply replace the address of the header. That means first it was consist of the address of the first node. Now it will consist of the address of the second node, and the address is here 100. Rest is just same. It will remain same. Just you are changing the head pointer. Okay, you are just excluding this node. That means what? The header will consist of the address of the second node now. So initially it was 105. My second node is 100. So I'm just showing the pointer of the header. It points to the second node, and it will consist of the address of the second node. Okay. Now if you want to delete from the last, that means you want to delete the last node. What is my last node here? This one. So if you want to delete this, what you have to do? You have to traverse to the second last node. That means you will traverse to this second last node, and what you do, see, the address is pointing to the last node. So you will simply replace this 100, and you will again write it to the null, and this node will be excluded. Okay, so you are just traveling to the second last node, and you are simply replacing the address part. Now address was first pointed to the last node. Now it is simply pointing to the null. That means the second last node will become the last node. That means you are only disconnecting the link. The data will remain same. Okay, it doesn't mean this node is not there. This node will be somewhere in your memory, just that it is not the part of your linked list now. Okay, you are just connecting the links. Only the pointers are connected, disconnected. Okay, so to delete the item from the last, that means if you want to delete the last node, you will come to the second last node, then you will only change the pointer part. Initially it was holding the address of the first node, you are deleting it. Now it consists of null. Okay, now if you want to delete something from the middle, what you will do? Suppose you want to delete this one, so you simply delete this one, and you will consist of, means you will create this link from second to now third. Okay, and it will consist of the address of this link. Okay, that's the delete process. Now you are deleting this whole thing. Got it? So you want to delete first node, simply change the header. That's it. If you want to delete the last node, you are simply coming to the second last and make the address part null, and it's done. If you want to delete from the middle any node, you just have to come to the previous node. Means if you want to delete the third node, you have to come to the second node and you will simply change the address part. Okay, you will simply replace this address part with the address of the fourth node, and this one, the third node, will be excluded. Okay, rest will remain just same. So insertion and deletion is very easy in case of linked list compared to array, stack or queue. And to implement stack and queue using linked list is much easier. Okay, because insertion deletion process is say very easy. Means you can delete from anywhere, you can insert anywhere, doesn't matter. Only you are changing part is the address part. Rest is just the same. Okay, so for insert, what will be the time complexity? And delete, what will be the complexity? For both insert and delete, it's simply O1 and O1. Why? It's just single step. You are simply adding the item. It's one step only. So O1. And for search, it will take ON. Why ON? Because again same process. If you want to come to even to delete last, you have to traverse through all the linked lists. You do not have any index here. Okay. And space complexity will also be ON. Means of course if you have 4 numbers of nodes or 5 numbers of data, it will use that amount of space only. Okay, I'll just stop sharing and take attendance. I hope you guys are listening or at least checking. নহলে মোৰ ইমান কষ্ট কৰাৰ দৰকাৰ নাই বাৰু. Okay, if you are listening, I hope you understood also. Okay. So in lab class, we will implement the linked list. Okay, we will see how we can implement linked list, because it is not similar to our stack or queue. Normally we implement stack and queue with the help of array. This is different, so implementation will be a bit different. Okay, so in lab class we will see there again until I join. Oh, okay, so until I join college, then we will just go for online. Just bear with me. I'm just trying my best so that you guys don't miss your classes. Okay. Thank you all. I'm ending the meeting now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.